Hey you and welcome. I'm Mr. Barry. In this whole video we're going to look at how to use a mask to fine-tune your artwork within Night Cafe's AR art generator. And so we're going to take you step by step on how to do that, and actually how to do that for free, as in not you having to use the credits that they give you every day. Alright, hey, by the way, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and share the video too. I thought I might as well share that with you now because that really helps the channel. Alright, so let's take a look at those steps and see how to use a mask for free in Night Cafe. So here we are in Night Cafe, and I brought up one of my artworks. Now this one here I made, and I always leave my prompts open for you, so you can always copy the prompts if you want to. But anyway, if you notice in the background I have these things here. These almost look like horses, but they are a little bit different than horses. And then over here I have some people. Now let's just say that you didn't want anything in the background, you just wanted the main subject in the foreground here, and you wanted nice mountains and maybe a lake down here and maybe some rocks and grass over here, but without the people. Is there a way to fine-tune your image for free in Night Cafe? And the answer is yes, there is. So first off, what you want to do is you want to click right here. This is the Evolve button right here, so click on Evolve. Once you've clicked on Evolve, then you see that you have the image and you have all these options here on the left hand panel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here to where it says model and click it, and I'm given these other models here. But what I'm going to do is I need to find what's called Stable Diffusion 1.5, and it's possible that in the list it doesn't show up, so I'm going to click on checkpoints, and I make sure that all is selected up here. And then I'm going to scroll down until I see 1.5. And there it is. So here's Stable Diffusion 1.5, and it does have the free tag on it. So I'm going to click it. And then I'm going to go to the left panel, scroll down. Notice it says Start Image. Click on Start Image now. And then click on Create Mask. Alright. And as you can see, I've already done this a few times. We're going to click on Create New One. And now I have these tools. These are my mask tools. These allow me to zoom in and also move around inside of the artwork here. So I'm zooming into these areas here, and I'm going to click on my paintbrush and simply paint over them. There we go. Now I'm going to go over to this other side here, and I'll do that later. Let's see here. This zoom back out. So right now I have to click on Done, and what it does is it applies that mask there. So any changes that I make to my prompt, it'll apply it there and not to the rest of the image. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Advanced Prompt Editor and just see what I have in there. I have Chronicles of Native Americans, Mono, that's a type of Native American here that we have in California. 1920, so I want something from 1920. Embracing Life Off the Beaten Track. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this out and just say Nature. There we go, Nature. So Chronicles of Nature, Embracing Life Off the Beaten Track. And I just want the background, right? So I don't need a detailed face or detailed eyes or anything like that. So I'm going to take that off. I still want it to be an oil painting style. And we're not going to change anything else there. And I am using the default negative prompt. Now just to let you know, if you were using that prompt, this is what it looks like. It says it has a negative weight to it, so it means it will not do the things that are mentioned there. So it won't make an ugly painting or any of these other things here that you have. All right. Notice down here, I'm going to look at the bottom here, bottom corner. It says it's a free creation. So I'm going to click on create. And there it is. So now I have erased basically the things that were back there. They were kind of like horse looking types of things or objects, but I didn't think they were really looking like a good painting of a horse. Anyway, notice it's replaced it with this other type of a background. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'll do it one more time, and you can do multiple areas at once, but just to show you how to do it here, I'm going to take these people out. So again, we go in and I'm going to go evolve it, and then go to the start image, and there's my start image. Click on mask, click on the paintbrush, paint over the people. Kind of easy. Click on done and click on create for free. There we go. So we've taken out the people. So we still have a very good Native American here. Very beautiful portrait there. And notice I'm using the Stable Diffusion 1.5. Now, someone had basically commented on a video saying that it was really hard for them to find this model. So just remember, when you're finding it, I clicked on checkpoints, clicked on all, and then I simply went down the list, and there it is, Stable Diffusion 1.5. Kind of stands out because it does have the free logo right here. And once you do select that, any of your changes that you make will be done for free without using any credits. Now, if you're new to Night Cafe, you do get credits through the challenges. All right. So every day you want to click in and click on challenge and then vote. So every day you want to vote on a challenge. Now, when you want to vote on a challenge, all you got to do is just bring it up and then say, oh, wow, that's beautiful, right? And then click on what you want to do as far as giving it a vote. Wow, look at this. Isn't this lovely? So I've been giving these all big, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 stars. If the artwork wasn't maybe to your liking or something, you can go down to a lower star rating down here. So remember, this is kind of poor. This is kind of like, wow, I like it a lot. All right. Hey, so there you go. It is pretty easy to find there using their interface. I was using the web browser version to do that. Hey, and if you like these types of videos, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps everything. Leave a comment down below if you have a question or an idea for a future video. I really appreciate that. All right, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel, Sama Teacher 7. All right, thank you again. Y'all have a very good day. Bye-bye.